Gathering together, a guide to collective nouns for people. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of English grammar. Specifically, we're going to talk about collective nouns for people. What are they? How do we use them? By the end of this video, you'll know the answers to these questions and be able to use collective nouns confidently in your English conversations. Let's start with the basics. A collective noun is a term we use to describe a group of individuals. It's a single word that encapsulates a collection of people, animals, or things. For instance, when we say team, we're referring to a group of players. The word team is a collective noun. There are many collective nouns specifically for people. These words give us a way to refer to a group of people in a way that tells us more about who they are or what they're doing. Here are a few examples. A class of students, a crowd of people, a staff of employees, a band of musicians, a jury of jurors, a team of players. In each of these examples, the collective noun not only tells us that we're dealing with a group of people, but it also gives us some insight into the nature or the function of the group. Now, let's see how to use these collective nouns in sentences. A crucial point to remember is that despite referring to a group, collective nouns are singular and require singular verbs when the group is being thought of as a whole. For example, the class is studying for their final exams. A jury decides the verdict in a trial. My team wins every game it plays. However, if the focus is on the individuals within the group rather than the group as a whole, a plural verb may be used. The team are wearing their new uniforms today. And that wraps up our discussion on collective nouns for people. It's an interesting part of English grammar that can make your sentences more efficient and expressive. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these collective nouns in your daily English conversations. You're doing great, and every step you take gets you closer to mastering the English language. Until next time, happy learning!